Hi everyone, welcome back to the Cactus channel where I do all kinds of things. Yep, I do. Anyway, as you can see, stage 4 polishing, burnishing of both kits is now complete. I am really happy with the results. Would you look at this? Isn't that cute? It looks like a tooth. It's adorable. The sandwich, the tiger's eye sandwich that I called it a sandwich, got really thin, really small, but I really like it. So there's that. The blue glass, I'll try to put together for you. Let's see, here's another one. So there's 3, 4. I ended up with 5 pieces of the blue glass. Ah, it's gorgeous. Look at that. I really had no idea that glass would tumble. Yeah, that's all right. I'm learning still. I've got some bloodstones in here. There's 3 of them. Yep, right there. So I've got some bloodstones. Got the glass. Plenty of Dalmatian jaspers. Let's see. 4 of them. 5. We ended up with 5 little Dalmatian jaspers. We've got some regular quartz crystal in here, the clear stuff. And then we have some rose quartz. So I'll put all those pieces together for you as well. There we go. And some more clear crystal. There we go. So there's all the crystal. That's really pretty. That's really pretty. The tiny pieces of tiger's eye that came with the kit are right here. The other pieces I put in the other tumbler to go with the bigger pieces of tiger's eye that Rock Hounding Huntress sent me. Gosh, that's gorgeous. So these kit rocks, not kid rock. Let me be clear here. We've got 3, maybe 4. Nope, that's blue. Looks like is this an amethyst? Yeah, actually it is. Okay, so we've got 4 amethyst. 5. Wait, there's a 5th one. The blue ones. I'm just putting these all together so you guys can see them. Let's get the quartz out of the way. I just use quartz as a filler. They really do polish up nice and pretty though, don't they? I think they do. Neat little shapes. Hang on. There's more. There we go. Where's that one that Patty pointed out to me? That had the, does it still, oh, here it is. Oh, here it is. It still retained the top. Oops. And it's still got the quartz line through it. Hang on. Look at the line. Oh, it retained both. That is a really neat piece. Yep, that is a really neat piece. And then we've got some green ones. I love the green. I never thought that it would actually polish, but it finally did. That is fluorite. No, it's not. It's not fluorite. Wait. This is aventurine. This is green aventurine. That's what this is. Yep. And these are fluorite because you can see through them. Okay, so I've got 4 little pieces of fluorite and 1 piece of green aventurine. That's neat. Oh, look. I found another piece of glass. So actually now I have 6. Okay. This is a tiny little agate I threw in there. I wanted to see what it would do. Look at that window. That is so neat. Oh, that's so tiny. I love these. What's this one? Oh, I found another amethyst. Okay. So, oh, and another Dalmatian Jasper. Well, you know, if I would have sorted these out before. Anyway, moving on. Oh, I like my soda light. Boy, that's pretty. That's really pretty. Okay, well, I've got them all kind of. Look at the teeny tiny ones I've got. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with those, but they can go in something. So anyway, I am completely thrilled with my kit. Look at that tiny little, oh God, that's cute. Okay, anyway, I'm really thrilled. I'm really happy. They shined up, polished up beautifully. And I had another successful tumble. Yay! Enjoy your day, everyone. Thank you for continuing to support the Minty Cactus channel. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have a great day.